Exercise 2.2 says we should find the HCF of the following. So we have this, we have about 6 questions here. In all of this exercise, I'm going to be using prime factorization in determining them, the advanced prime factorization. In this exercise, we are asked to find the HCF of the following, 63 and 60. So in getting the HCF, I'm going to use the advanced prime factorization, which will include all the numbers 63 and 60. Thereafter, I'm going to look for a common factor between 63 and 60. I will start with the list. Can 2 divide? 2 can divide 60, but 2 cannot divide 63. So 2 is not a common factor of 63 and 60. What about 3? Yes, 3 can divide both 60 and 63. How do I know? If you add up 6 plus 3, it gives you a multiple of 3, of which 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 and 9, they are both multiples of 3. So we say 3 is divisible. 63 and 60 is divisible by 3. So I shall start with 3. 3 into 6 is 2 times. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 60 is 20 times. I'll also do say, look for a common factor that can divide both 21 and 20. Can 3 still go? 3 can go into 21, but 3 cannot go into 20. 4 cannot go. 5 cannot go. 7 cannot go, because 7 can divide 21 but cannot divide 20. So in this example, 3 is said to be the highest common factor, as no other factor of 63 and 60 can divide both numbers. So this is your highest common factor. So I'm going to stop at this point and say that my HCF is equal to 3, because 3 is the only factor that can divide, apart from 1, that can divide 63 and 60. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes.